Welcome back, guys. Today I'll be showing off one of my coolest talents. Today I will be burping the alphabet. And this might sound crazy, but I hope lots of people watch this because this is one of my amazing talents. 3, 2, 1. A, B, Z, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. And just so you know, before I go to K and all the rest, you might want to turn the volume up because this might be a little not too loud. A, L, M, N, O, B, Q, R, S, D, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. And that is one of my coolest talents, burping the alphabet. And if you know how to do that, just remember to like and subscribe. Thanks.